Hey you guys, it's Badger here. Today we have this coffee scale, or in general scale for the kitchen from the brand Fireball, which I'm kinda excited about because my scale just broke the other day and yeah, I needed one for sure. And this is what I came up with. And this one seemed interesting to me because it had different features in it. So we'll see. USB-C, that's good, so no batteries needed. I like that. At least I hope so. As soon as I see a loading cable, I would assume that. And then, as you see, it's just sitting on here to have the best weight skill possible. Fireballs branded on here. And then there is anti-slippery feet, which is always a good thing in the kitchen. And let's see if we can get this turned on. There we go. I don't know why there's a timer, to be honest, but sure, why not? And then we put it to 0. Now it's on grams. And there should be different scaling options. Let's see, how does that work? Now it's on auto. What the hell? Come on. What am I doing wrong? It's auto again. This works for sure. It shows how much gram. Okay, I can set it to 0 as well. Remembers also what we weighted the last, apparently. Okay, now we go. Oz, milliliters, and grams. Okay, so there's 3 options. And yeah, I think pretty decent here. And also it remembers what you just weighed, and then you can switch to different measurement, and that transforms them into the other measurement. So that's kind of cool too. And otherwise, really minimalistic, nice looking scale, small, still strong, and I like the design. I don't know, just see, it works with cardboard as well, cables. And then it remembers when you hit auto. So if you mess up on whatever you're doing, you can just go back to the one we had and compare what you did. And now the timer's running for whatever reason I don't see. It's like telling us, okay, we did wait something for 5 seconds. But sure, why not? But I think that's all I can say at this point. And definitely a little helper in the kitchen that is worth its money. You could probably use it for other stuff as well if that's something you're looking for. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. And I will say that's gonna be it for today's video. And I will see you in the next one. And let's say we will see each other or hear each other in the next one. Badger and out.